Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on another GM product. Of course, you always have to work on them, but we're working on a 03 Suburban, and the blend door in the back has quit working. He had AC during the summer when he bought this thing and didn't realize. Went to turn the heat on and it wouldn't go to heat. It's still blowing cold. So this is a pretty simple repair. I'm just going to show you real quick. You pop this bottom piece off. Pop this top piece off. We're going to pop these and that one, and then this part will pop out, and then I'll show you where the blend door is. Just a quick, easy repair. All right, so this, I doubt this has ever been out, and this is really tight. I don't want to skin this up, so I'm putting just a rag or whatever. This is a glove. Now grab it with the pliers, then we just turn it. It's just screwed in. Just break it loose. Didn't mess it up. All right, that's good. It's nice and clean behind here. Ooh, you got a melted crayon.
I know. From Madeline.
Get off there. There we go.
Okay, that is disgusting.
All right, so this just pops out. We got one connection here for this AC port. Just squeeze and pop.
AC port?
Yeah, AC power.
Oh, yeah.
This is the one for the floor and ceiling. That's not our problem. This is our problem here for the hot and cold. We got AC, but it's got cold now. We need heat. We don't have any heat, so we'll just swap this one out.
We don't have heat in the back.
Yeah, in the back, yes. It's just these two. You got two bolts right here. Looks like they're probably 7mm, but I'll let you know for sure in just a second. All right, this is a clip. Just squeeze, pull that loose, and then we're gonna. All right, these two bolts are 5.5mm right there and right there. Pop those out, and then we'll pop the new motor on. All right, so I took these two bolts out. Then you just kind of give it. You gotta give it a little wiggle to get it off because it's on this shaft right here. Then we'll pop the new one in here.
Crab.
All right, so we got this put back in. Now all we have to do, I'm gonna test it first, but then all you can do is pop it back together, and that's it. This is probably like if you got all your tools out, which you know what size they are now. It's like 10-15 minute repair. All right, when you put this back in, just take your hand, you just pop it along here, pop all those clips back in, and then the rest of this is pretty simple. Pop, pop. My upper. Don't forget to plug your speaker back in. You put it in right side up. On this side, you kind of go from this side in. There's an alignment hole there. Pop this side in and go to this side. All right, guys, that's it. We're all back together now. So all you need for this is a panel popper. I like the plastic ones. I needed this metal one for this pin right here because it was a pain. And a 5.5 millimeter socket, that's it. And like I said, 15, 20 minutes, this is an easy job. So thanks for watching. Till next time, I'm out of here.